Alright, so we're powered up here and set to go. This little contact right there, that's going to be my switch inside the key post. And this guy over here, that's going to be my start button. The box is wired in pretty simple. It's got a dedicated 12-volt power supply, battery power supply, dedicated ground, so that's the power of the electronics in the box. And then from the key post, most kill switch wires are black and yellow. So what we do is we tap into it, we splice it, we put it in the box, and then the other end gets connected to the other side of the box, and that goes to the Mpem. So in essence, we're basically installing this in line with the key post kill switch circuit. The light bulb, that's going to be our engine run signal. Here I have a little switch, which is my start for starting the boat. The switch in the post, that's my two wires there touching. The box has a 3-position switch. The 3-position switch is latched in every position. In order to move the switch, you got to pull the switch out and bring it back. All right, so let's do a run. We're going to put the key on, and we're going to start the boat. Engine's running. So here we are with the box in the off position. That's like this is wired directly as if the box wasn't there. We're cruising on the water and we're bouncing around on the waves, and of course a lot of the switches in the post weaken over time, and you can see that if I get a momentary loss of connection, motor shuts down. It's not an easy thing to troubleshoot. The test module is designed to help you troubleshoot, and when you put that in line with the system the way it's wired here, we're going to condition the signal and generate it long enough to bypass or avoid any open circuits from killing the engine. Okay, so let's start the engine. Now you'll see that in the number 1 position, when you hit a bump, the engine keeps running. So if you had intermittent failures of this switch inside the key post, it bypasses them. It does not let them cause an engine shutdown because it conditions the signal and provides it for a short period of time, enough to prevent the little bumps and jumps and what have you from causing the switch to kill your motor. Now, if the switch fails completely or you pull the key out of the post, well, the boat will still shut down. So you still have the safety in place. So let's try that again. Reset, key out, key back in. Start the motor. Motor's running. We're out on the water. We're in the number 1 position. We're conditioning the signal. And sure enough, the signal is being conditioned unless you take the key right out or the switch should happen to fail. Now you might ask, what if it's completely failed and I can't even get the boat to start? What can I do? You can go to this position over here. Now you're in a number 3 position. This bypasses this altogether. You still need the right key to flash the ECU to get this circuit going. Once this is going, all it looks for is this, the ignition kill switch. Start the boat. How do I know it was a kill switch problem? Well, because I can take this right out of the picture, not even touching. And with it not even touching, our motor is running. So remember, you don't want to be operating on the water like this because now you don't have a kill switch, right? But it is there to help you troubleshoot and test while you're sitting in the garage. You got your hoses connected to your engine and you're doing function checks. All right, so in this condition here, the motor will continue to run. I built a circuit board and created a whole process, making my own, etching my own boards, and developed all the tooling and equipment needed in the shop. So I can build these, and finally, once everything is assembled, they go into this nice little box, and they're epoxy sealed so that water can't corrode them. And if you think you guys are interested in something like this, I can build them. I've been building them, I've been installing them on people's boats. Certainly, if you're curious or you have some questions, give me a shout. The email is in the link below, and this will solve your problem if you're having issues with your key post. All right, guys, thanks for listening.